So we have a couple demos for you today. So the first one I'm excited about because I'm told I get to do something on camera. What am I doing, Scott?
So homemade hot chocolate is one of these things that there are a lot of recipes on the internet, but generally the recipe is made and it has cornstarch in it, or it has a lot of milk powder in it. Yep. And we add guar gum, the perfected guar gum, to it. First off, to get rid of that beanie flavor that we don't want from the traditional guar gum, and the ability to just take it and then mix it right into your liquid, whether it be milk or water. Generally, the ones that have cornstarch in them, you have to mix in a small amount, mix it in very well, and then add the rest. But when you're making hot cocoa, generally you don't want to do that. You want to take it, either it comes out of the package or whatnot. With this, you can just put it right in, which Janie's going to do here, which is great. So about 2 tablespoons to 8 ounces of water, you can just put it right in there.
There you go. Look at my cooking skills.
Yes, and the best part about this, it's so simple to make and then also use that we have a little Christmas gift here, a little option for people who, you know, want to give a stocking stuffer or whatnot. This is 8 ounces of our hot cocoa mix that you can find the recipe on the blog, and we just put it into a mason jar. We put a little bit of decorations on it. You can give it to your friends for Christmas.
Yeah, and I cannot stress enough, like, I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't have really anything with milk in it. And then usually when I get hot chocolate, it's watery, right? Because there's nothing in there to thicken it up. Whereas this right now is like a really, you can see it, but it's a really nice consistency.
Yep, and it's just a little bit of thickness to it. You obviously don't want it to be, you know, chewable hot chocolate, but you want it to have a little bit of thickness to it so that, you know, it feels like it's made with cream or milk.